Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing reviews on two products. It's the ORS Hair Repair Coconut Oil and Baobab and the Hair Repair Banana and Bamboo Nourishing Conditioner. So I'm just going to start by letting the water run through my hair, rinsing out any products that may be in there, and also lightly finger detangling. I'm then going to go in with the shampoo, putting it all over my hair, but mainly focusing on my scalp. The shampoo has a strong smell of coconut and lather as well, even though it is sulfate free. My hair felt clean and I was able to lightly finger detangle. However, after the second wash, my hair felt slightly stripped, but it didn't have that squeaky clean feeling. So moving on to the conditioner, I absolutely love this product. It was literally like a banana in a bottle. It smelled like bananas, it felt like smooth, creamy bananas, and my hair absolutely loved it. It absorbed so easily into my hair that I had to keep putting more product in to get the slip that I needed to detangle easily. So the only con with this product is that I used half the bottle in one wash, but I would definitely repurchase. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more from me, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye!